Did you know that money didn't always exist as coins and bills? Thousands of years ago, people used a barter system to trade goods directly, exchanging things like livestock, crops, and tools. Barter had its limits, though. If someone had fish but wanted grain, they'd need to find someone with grain who wanted fish. This need for mutual interest made trade challenging and limited the economy. To solve this, ancient societies started using items that had value to everyone, like salt, cattle, or shells, as a form of proto-money. These items became a standard medium for trade. In Mesopotamia, around 3000 BCE, barley and silver became the first standardized forms of money. Silver, in particular, held consistent value and could be divided, making it ideal for trade. The concept of money evolved with the rise of cities and empires. As populations grew, the demand for a more efficient system led to the use of metals like gold and silver, stamped with symbols for authenticity. The earliest known coins were made in Lydia, modern-day Turkey, around 600 BCE. These coins were stamped with images of lions or kings, symbolizing their value and authenticity in trade. Coins quickly spread through ancient Greece, Persia, and Rome, where they became symbols of power and stability. Coins allowed empires to unify economies across vast regions. Gold and silver coins were valuable because of their rarity, durability, and intrinsic value. They became the standard for money across Europe, Asia, and Africa, building the foundations for trade networks. In ancient China, people used unique items like cowrie shells as currency. Cowrie shells were valued for their beauty and rarity, making them a reliable medium of exchange. Chinese money evolved into bronze coins with holes in the center, allowing them to be strung together. This early currency simplified transactions and created a unified economic system. Paper money first appeared in China during the Tang Dynasty, 618–907 CE. Merchants used promissory notes that represented value, laying the groundwork for future banknotes. The Song Dynasty, 960–1279 CE, developed the first government-backed paper money. This innovation marked a major shift from heavy metal coins to lighter, easier-to-carry currency. As trade expanded along the Silk Road, paper money began to spread beyond China. Merchants in the Middle East and Europe saw the potential of paper as a convenient alternative to metal coins. In medieval Europe, money changers issued letters of credit that functioned similarly to modern checks. These letters allowed merchants to trade without carrying large sums of cash. Banks emerged in Italy during the Renaissance, offering deposit and loan services. Banking families like the Medici used promissory notes and credit, further advancing the concept of money. The gold standard became popular in the 19th century. Nations backed their paper currency with gold reserves, creating a stable and trusted system that fueled international trade. During the 20th century, the gold standard was gradually abandoned. Countries began issuing fiat money, currency not backed by physical commodities, but by government decree. Fiat money relies on trust in the government that issues it. This shift allowed for more flexibility in the money supply, helping economies grow and adapt to changing needs. The rise of electronic banking in the 20th century revolutionized money further. Credit cards, introduced in the 1950s, allowed people to make purchases on credit without cash. In the digital age, money took on new forms. Electronic transfers, online banking, and digital payment systems like PayPal changed how people accessed and managed money. Cryptocurrency emerged in 2009 with Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin is not controlled by any government, relying on blockchain technology for transactions. Blockchain technology ensures secure and transparent transactions without intermediaries like banks. This innovation sparked a global interest in cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Today, thousands of cryptocurrencies exist, each with unique features. Some are designed for fast transactions, while others focus on privacy or stability in value. The origins of money highlight society's need for trust and efficiency in transactions. Each form of money, from shells to coins to digital assets, reflects the unique demands of its time. Money has evolved from physical objects to digital data, reflecting the technological advancements of each era. The future of money may lie in virtual currencies or central bank digital currencies. Central banks around the world are exploring digital currencies. These digital versions of national currency could combine the benefits of digital money with the stability of traditional fiat currency. The history of money shows that trust is the cornerstone of any currency. Whether physical or digital, money must be widely accepted and trusted to serve as a reliable medium of exchange. Economic stability often depends on a stable currency. Throughout history, societies with strong trusted currencies have thrived, while those with unstable currencies face challenges. Inflation and deflation affect the value of money. When inflation rises, the purchasing power of money decreases, impacting economies and individuals alike. Money's journey from barter to digital assets is one of constant innovation as societies adapt to economic, political, and technological changes. Currency symbols like the dollar sign or euro sign euro represent the importance of money in global economies and cultures. These symbols have become icons of economic identity. The power of money extends beyond trade. It influences politics, social structures, and personal identities. Wealth has often been a measure of status, affecting how people perceive themselves and others. Money has also been a catalyst for social and economic inequality. Throughout history, access to wealth has shaped opportunities, influencing education, healthcare, and quality of life. Philosophers and economists have debated the role of money in human happiness. While money can provide comfort, research suggests that beyond a certain point, happiness does not increase with wealth. Modern banking allows money to grow through investments, interest, and compound returns. This concept has empowered people to build wealth over time, transforming lives and societies. Globalization has interconnected economies, making money flow across borders. Today, foreign exchange markets enable people to trade currencies, affecting international economies. Foreign aid and remittances are vital forms of money flow from one country to another. These transfers support families, stimulate economies, and offer relief during crises. Credit systems have made money more accessible, but can also lead to debt. The balance between using credit and managing debt is a cornerstone of personal finance. Money has impacted language and culture. Terms like paying the price or value for money reflect society's deep connection with currency as a symbol of worth and sacrifice. From barter to mobile payments, the evolution of money reflects humanity's creativity and resilience. Each new form of money addresses the needs and challenges of its era. Mobile banking and fintech companies are transforming finance by offering services directly through smartphones. This shift makes banking accessible to millions, especially in underserved areas. The rise of cashless societies is changing how people interact with money. In some countries, digital payments are now more common than cash, streamlining transactions and boosting convenience. Money has a profound impact on human behavior. Economic incentives drive decisions, from everyday purchases to career choices, shaping societies and economies. Economic cycles of boom and bust demonstrate the influence of money on national and global economies. Money drives investment and growth, but can also lead to recessions and crises. The history of money is a story of constant change and adaptation. From ancient trade to blockchain, each step reflects humanity's quest for a more efficient and reliable exchange system. Today, money remains central to everyday life. It influences where we live, what we eat, and how we experience the world, proving that money's role in society is as significant as ever. The future of money may include new innovations we can't yet imagine, driven by changes in technology, society, and global economics. Understanding the history of money helps us appreciate the evolution of trade and trust. money has enabled human cooperation and development in ways that continue to shape the world. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this.